Hi, this is Jonathan Smith with Superior BraunAbility, here to show you some of the highlights of a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan with the Braun XI in-floor conversion. This vehicle is equipped with a ramp that is stowed in the floor and deploys out of the vehicle. This ramp is 32 inches wide and can support up to 1,000 pounds in weight, giving access to the interior. We have seating for 3 in the rear, and the front seats are removable should the chair rider want to ride in the front. One of the benefits of the in-floor ramp is when this system is stowed, the ramp is completely out of the way and it allows access for ambulatory passengers to enter in through the passenger side. To access this feature, simply grab the door handle and pull. This allows the door to open and the ramp not to be deployed. This is ideal for families that are doing lots of drop-offs and pickup and may not necessarily have the chair rider with them, but still need access from the passenger side. So, did you have any more questions about this vehicle or want to learn more? Please give us a call at superiorvanmobility.com. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.